Here is the reality of the EX battery range. Stark claims up to 6 hours. In the real world, Hard Enduro technical single track, I got about 3.5 to 4 hours of riding. This is stop-and-go technical work where you're not wide open. Fast flow track pace, expect 45 minutes to an hour. Fire road cruising, you might hit that 5-hour mark if you stay slow. For 90% of riders, 3.5 hours of hard riding is more than enough to exhaust you. But if you're the type of rider who does 80-mile loops in the desert or all-day mountain adventures without returning to the truck, this bike is not there yet. Charging takes about 1 to 2 hours on a 220-volt outlet, which is fast, but requires infrastructure. If you're at a track with no hookups, you need a gas generator, which, ironically, brings the noise and fumes right back into your pit.